Welcome to our comprehensive marketing course. We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey. Whether you're a budding marketer, a business owner, or just curious about the world of marketing, this course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel. Our primary objectives for this course are to provide you with a thorough understanding of key marketing principles and concepts, teach you how to create compelling marketing strategies and plans, enable you to analyze and interpret market data effectively, develop your ability to identify and target the right customer segments, and introduce you to advanced tools and frameworks used by marketing professionals. Throughout this course, you'll find detailed videos that break down essential marketing concepts. These videos will cover everything from market analysis and customer segmentation to the marketing mix and digital strategies. Each concept is presented in an easy-to-understand manner, ensuring you can grasp and apply what you learn. What sets this course apart is the immersive experience it provides. Our videos combine engaging visuals, clear narration, and well-paced content to explain ideas quickly without feeling academic. The approach feels modern and interactive, making complex concepts easy to grasp while keeping your attention from start to finish. In addition to these core videos, we have included comprehensive sample marketing plans. These real-world examples from top companies like Apple and Tesla will show you how the concepts come together in practice. Analyzing these plans will give you a clearer picture of how to craft your own effective marketing strategies. By the end of this course, you will have achieved a solid foundation in marketing fundamentals, the ability to craft a detailed and effective marketing plan, practical skills in using essential marketing tools and techniques, increased confidence in making data-driven marketing decisions, and insights into real-world marketing strategies. We've structured the course to build progressively, ensuring each module enhances your understanding. It's important to stay engaged and complete the entire course because every video and example is a crucial piece of the marketing puzzle. By the end, you'll be able to see the bigger picture of how successful marketing strategies are crafted and executed. Remember, marketing is both an art and a science. It's about creativity and data working hand in hand. By mastering the concepts and skills in this course, you're setting yourself up for success in a dynamic and ever-evolving field. So stay curious, stay motivated, and let's make the most of this learning journey together. Make sure to follow through each module, participate actively, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Your commitment will be key to unlocking the full potential of this course. Let's get started.